Welcome back to Notre Dame Day. We are joined now by Branden Moore, who is an MBA student at Notre Dame, and also the president of the Black Graduates in Management Club, also known as BGM. The club works to elevate the voices, talent, and experiences of Black graduate business students while building community, supporting professional growth, and creating spaces for connection across campus. Branden joins me now. Thank you so much for being here on Notre Dame Day, Branden. Good to see you. Nice to meet you. For those who may not be familiar, tell me, first of all, what is the Black Graduates in Management Club, and what does it mean to you to be part of that community here at Notre Dame?
Yes, so BGM, which is Black Graduates in Management Club at Notre Dame, is the Black grad club within the Middle School of Business, which is located within the Stair Center. And to me, it's just been a really beautiful thing to be a part of a community that really has a great foundation for one, and second, has given us the platform to excel in many different forms.
Now, BGM, of course, is all about building support and connection from the moment students arrive here all the way through when they graduate. What does that support actually look like when you put it into practice, at least from your experience?
It shows up in many different forms. So everything from coaching when it comes to interviews, class support, assignment support, along with showing up outside of the classroom. So making sure we're building community and really focusing on the different aspects of grow the good in business within the Mendoza College of Business.
Now, of course, at the graduate level, not surprisingly, your club is going to focus a lot on professional development and preparing your members for success after their time here at Notre Dame. So tell me, what are some of the opportunities or experiences that you think really stand out with BGM?
Yes, there's been a few this year. So first, we had a Irish Compass workshop with the program manager, Juliana Newbill, which is great to learn about that platform. Second, we had a guest speaker, Carol D. Anderson, which is a graduate of the class of 2000 from the MBA program, who talked about essentially putting your best foot forward and elevating your career. And then another thing that we did, which was really nice, was an AI workshop in Chicago for our club members and just general students, focusing on honestly just the AI revolution, and then also that took place at Soho House, Chicago.
Now, I know you guys also collaborate with other clubs and groups across campus. How's that been like, and how does that how has that maybe impacted you in ways you might not have expected?
The biggest thing is that it really helps broaden your audience. So we actually had an event last week, another one with Carol D. Anderson, and we partnered with 5 different undergrad clubs to really dive into how you can show up your best in the corporate environment while also being professional. And then outside of that, we also dive into various activities, including a mentorship with BBAM, which is the undergraduate Black Business Club.
Obviously, you get a chance to delve into what those people are doing and get a feel for what it's like on their side of the coin. It's interesting. So on Notre Dame Day, why does support for BGM matter, and how does it help you continue to build the kind of community and support, not only for your current group, but for the future students here at Notre Dame? That's what this is about.
Exactly. We want future students to really know that when you come to Notre Dame, you have a beautiful environment for you, and that the sky truly is the limit. So some of the things that we really are able to accomplish come directly from the support of our amazing alumni network. So by doing all these different supporting activities, we really help create new career tracks along with guest speakers, and even to just having great just food events to really just build more relationship amongst the students.
And proof that it works, he's going to graduate in a few weeks. You're all set with your job and ready to make your career.
I am. So I'll be going to CBRE, working with their corporate accounts.
All right. Well, congratulations. It's a pleasure meeting you.
Awesome.